St. Elizabeth, I never did know the day would have come when me have to talk about St. Elizabeth like this. So many things going on in a St. Elizabeth. 3 people, them take away from us. They're not here again. You understand? And then 4 of them get bruised up and bashed up and all type of sitting. I tell you, a place I run red in a 48 hours. There's so many things are going on. Seeing residents right now, no, what if you do? You see?
Bag of things, they have to make a statement. If I know bag of things, TV, it don't make sense. A bag of things, TV, I run things all the time. Bag of things, TV, media.
Yes, my viewers and my subscriber, Black River, St. Elizabeth. Police are now probing the connection between 2 of the 4 incidents following 2 days of holy passing, you know. You understand? Holy passing in a southern parish. So the amount of things we are going, people can't understand, man. Everybody right now don't even know if they're going to enjoy them Christmas, you know. Down at St. Elizabeth there, you know. Yeah, man, people really scared now still. Cause remember, you know, you have some little waste man that come around. And when them come around, them are delete people. Anybody them want, them just take them out. I saw them do it, you know. See? So according to the Observer, ladies and gentlemen, them say 3 people were deleted and 4 escaped the deletion in Fifet's Pen, northwest of Black River and Carrison Brook, close to Magati in northern St. Elizabeth, you know. So the police source who asked not to be named said the police are following leads that the slapway of the 36-year-old Junior Lambert and 20-year-old Shadan Wilmot in 2 incidents, Fifet's Pen, might have been carried out by the same waste man them, you know. Saying, some I edit some words, because you know say YouTube now when we talk some way. Saying, so they must say, boy, a whole heap of thing go on. In quotation, here where one person has said now, we are of the opinion that they may be related, but we don't have any strong evidence yet to suggest that they are. The scenes are comparable in terms of the kind of spent shell. The amount of can when money have a man, they must say, boy, some can't find over here, so. And the next scene, it come like a CM scene, you know. CM casings, CM rounds and CM shoes lace man them are used for outright, you know. You understand? So they must say they were found on both scenes, they look similar. Both scenes have the big tall up 6 pants and them have the 9M sitting them, speng shell them, you know, saying. And they must say we are of the opinion that it may be the same culprits involved in the same incident, the police source said. So at the same man them, they must say. Or you look to them and or you look to the police and the police I say, boy, everything look like says a matching thing. The same man them wet up some people down there, so and them come back and wet up some other people up there, so, you know. I say man them I say, you know. You understand? Because remember criminals, you know, if I know the same man them a pass and the same machine them with them have to other man and man carry out certain things same way, you know. Because them have a rotation of machines all over in Jamaica. See? So the paper goes on to say in the other incident at Carisbrook, 66-year-old Egbert Dixon was found deleted with wool heap slash up and cut up all over his body, you know. And 2 Jamaican Canadians were wet up also and injured during a robbery, you know. So man, I'm try to take all heap of things from 2 Jamaican Canadians. And I tell you, say them beat up can pan them and mash them up to, you know. So the amount of things we are going on, boy, I tell you, say, in a Westmoreland, 2 different incidents, saying 1 person drop out and 2 people get serious attack and mash up and sitting wet up all over them body. To the place I run, ladies and gentlemen, I tell you, in a same Westmoreland there. So the paper said that the 3 people that were laid to rest between Monday night and Tuesday evening following last Friday, slapway of 29-year-old Dwayne Brooks, otherwise called Dr. Doe, in Gazeland, near Nain, in St. Elizabeth, you know. You understand? So a whole heap of things are going over the period of time. You understand? In a 48 hours, there's so many things going on, boy. May I tell you, members of the Parliament, Floyd Green and J.C. Hutchinson, who both represent the ruling Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, in St. Elizabeth, Southwestern and Northwestern, respectively, condemn the foolishness that is going on in the parish. Man, condemn all of them sitting here in a man. Me I tell a boy, it's crazy. Me condemn all these things going on in a St. Elizabeth too, because we never used to have these things. They must say statistic from Jamaica Constabulary Force show that 22 people were slapped away and laid to rest in St. Elizabeth between January the 1st to December the 18th, 2021, in comparison to 27 slapped away in 2020, a decrease of 18.5%. Jah know there's so many things changing at St. Elizabeth. Don't even mention Westmoreland. Wanna see what I go on? They must say no. Green said the community of Fifet's Pen is shocked at the brazen acts. The whole heap of thing we are going. Some bare-faced man a walk up on them in a man. And when the man them come in a man, the man them just a spray the pipe and a spray water all over upon the people them. And I say people them a drop like fly. I say thing I run and now nobody don't care. And what them a do. The whole heap of waste boy a run up on them with pipe, you know. Yeah, man, and people are die because the amount of thing we are going. So they must say no. The mayor said the Westmoreland people they must experience some things where they never experienced before. They are not used to this side of the world, you know. In the first incident about 1 p.m. on Tuesday, Lambert, 36, otherwise called Purple, was found laid to rest in slump in his sofa with several corners all over his body. His hands were tied up, you know. So them tie up in and all them thing, they bound them up and things. I say, look at these type of incident we are going. I tell you, Mexico, Guatemala, and all these places, you know, we used to see these things. And when you check back now, you find out, say, boy, them something are going rampant in Jamaica. You see, man, and say so, bound up and wrap up on them. So what kind of thing, them, man? John No Star. The paper goes on to say, the police theorized that he was wet up and laid to rest on Monday night about 11:45 p.m. when residents reportedly heard loud noise and make up in a place, you know. Whole explosion and sitting, big loud noise in a community. So they must say, boy, they materialize at that time they them deal with them that way there, you know. See, Judge, me I tell you, say, no, son, good star, boy, you know, look good. Yeah, man, good Westmoreland, the man, them a deal with someone. Here we must say now, in the second incident, the police said about 8:05 p.m., waste man armed with pipe attacked a group of people who were at a shop in the community. 3 people, 2 women and a man were wet up during the attack, you know. See, yeah, man, wet up. One of the women, Shadana Wilmot of the same community, was corn up and get wholly corn in her jelly coconut, me I tell her, say, she dropped on the spot, they must say, boy, she dropped right there, so. The other people them were taken to the medical place where they might try to deal with them right now, Star, me I tell you. Green said the location of the second slapway is a regular community shop that anybody could have been at the time, you know. So it come like it's a hangout area where the people them go chill and all these things. Never did know say a whole heap of them something that go on. The whole place go turn upside down. In quotation, it is a very traumatic experience for the entire community, he said. He said the back-to-back incident to create cause for concern in the community, which is a Brampton area, saying, we want to urge the police to leave no stone unturned. We believe that the area of Brampton needs an increase in resources, especially during this season. Clearly, we have been having some flare-ups in the area over the past 3 years. I think the police I command has done a good job to get it under control, but I am very concerned now that if proactive steps haven't taken, you will see a further escalation of this activity. So I will for them something will go on if the man them not take further step in St. Elizabeth, you know. Because this type of thing is very new to the St. Elizabeth people. Remember, you know, peaceful people, them go about them business and do them thing, you know. But you have some local waste man find some pipe you know and come in the area with it. And it come like say some little things start up, teeth and tongue meet up, and man in an argument and bag of sitting. So find out say boy, a whole heap of sitting and go on, you know. Saying they must say no, he is urging the resident to come forward with any information that can assist the popo in the investigation. The popo them need it. If we don't have the info them, support the popo, give them to solve the problem, because all the money them are going to take up some money off the street when them don't know what go on. If we don't tell them. Because the people them in the community know what go on, you know. They know who about, you know. They know the money will cause a whole problem. Saying, so I want the people them in that St. Elizabeth know say, guess what now? We have to help fight the crime in our area too. The police alone can't do it. we have to play a part. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Want to drop a like on the button, touch up the like button there, support Bag of Things Media TV, share, and also comment below and tell me how you feel about the situation, what is going on in a St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, St. James, all over, even Clarendon too. Yeah, man. I want to hear the opinions and things. I don't know. We have to talk up the things them. You don't know a thing about Bag of Things Media TV. Like and share and subscribe. Bang, 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 bang.
Bag of Things Media TV, man. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share it. Make sure you subscribe. Press that notification bell to stay updated, man. Jamaican assassin killing all names. Urban legend. Jackal. Out.
Chucky got the sauce, man.